The Argentine ant is one of the most prolific ant species in the world. They're an incredibly aggressive and invasive species, known to create super colonies that can house hundreds of thousands of ants. Argentine ants can be found all over the world. In the United States, they can be found throughout the West Coast and southern states. It's also not uncommon to see them in parts of the Midwest. First, it's important to identify the Argentine ant. The Argentine ant is very small, typically around 1/8 of an inch or 3.5 millimeters long. They're typically a light brown to dark brown color, and unlike some other ants, they don't have a stinger. They also move in a trail to forage. Next, inspect your property for signs of Argentine ant activity. Argentine ants colonize outdoors in shallow nests near the ground surface. Check for nests and activity around flower and mulch beds, under yard debris like rocks, bricks, or wood piles, and check along walkways and pavement. Check for ant trails. Focus on entry points to your home, such as around windows, doors, and electrical fixtures. Also check under kitchen and bathroom sinks. Once you've confirmed Argentine ant activity, it's time for chemical control. Start outside with a non-repellent insecticide like Dominion 2L or Reclaim IT. Both of these liquid concentrates are great to use for ants and other insects, offering quick knockdowns and long residuals. Mix with water, following label instructions in a pump sprayer. Drench any ant nests that you see in your yard. Then create a barrier around your home by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Also spray around windows, doors, and other points of entry. Next, treat indoors by using Antrax ant bait. Antrax comes in a syringe for easy application and has been tested to be one of the most effective ant baits available. Apply Antrax in locations where ant activity is common, such as kitchens, near appliances, near baseboards, and entry points. Baiting is the most effective control method for Argentine ants. It's critical that you do not disturb the foraging ants because you want them to take that bait. With that in mind, also remove any competing food sources by picking up pet food or storing food in airtight containers. Next, apply Fipro foaming aerosol to any cracks, crevices, and wall voids. This is a non-repellent foam, so the ants will come into contact with it and then return to the colony to contaminate others. Apply Fipro around windows, doors, and plumbing under sinks. Finally, prevent Argentine ants from returning by continuing to eliminate food sources in your home. Clean countertops, sweep, and vacuum regularly. Remove water sources by fixing any leaky plumbing. Remove yard debris and trim vegetation back from the house. And spray follow-up applications of Reclaim IT or Dominion 2L every 3 months for continued protection. Argentine ants can be difficult to get rid of, but you can control them yourself with these professional products and steps from Solutions Pest and Lawn. Be sure to visit our website to get your products today. If you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.